Hi students, I am going to go through the first assignment and go through some answers. The first assignment was the EHR and the EHR Go, the EHR implementation. So you had to do some looking within this assignment. So once you pull up the activity itself, it does tell you at that point that you do need um, to pull up the blank record, and that's more just to show you what that blank record looks like. But a lot of you are very familiar with the EHR Go and what a record looks like. So just a couple of different things that you do need that you should have read through before you answered some of these questions were the analysis of leadership approaches, contracts, the workflow diagram, a lot of great information in here. I would actually keep this for future references on some of this information. So let's go ahead and dig into the assignment itself. So what leadership style did the CEO of the healthcare system demonstrate in the EHR selection process? It would be the autocratic because he believed that decisions should be made exclusively by him. It's more of a dictator type leader. How do you think the CEO's leadership style may have impacted the outcome of the EHR implementation? Well, choosing an EHR without input from your staff, who ultimately are the ones using it, may have resulted in the staff not buying into the choice. So at this point, you need the staff to get in there, check it out, and say, hey, I really like this or I don't like it. It's user friendly. I can get around it. It's missing this. It has this. So, which leadership style did the CMO of the healthcare system advocate for the EHR selection process? This would be the laissez faire because they advocated for the EHR selection decision to come 100% from the staff following the review of the options at a vendor fair. Okay, so let's just kind of go here. The CEO, we have Democratic, again, because she's recommended forming a selection committee. Here, if you give me something, it's not going to be a right or wrong. Um, hopefully you just kind of give me a really good answer, your thought process. Number 6, which of the following would you select to be on a 4-person team? With this, it kind of has down here just the different people that they recommend. And what year of implementation are the benefits of the EMR project outweigh the cost? Would be year 2. The annual benefits, 50,000, 300. Okay, number 9, productivity loss line. Productivity loss will only happen in the first year after implementation. After that, hopefully the employees get well trained and productivity will not suffer. The change and adoption team was formed to facilitate, support organizational culture for successful implementation. So these really shouldn't have been very hard questions. I'm just kind of putting them down. And again, you can come back, you can replay this video, reread these questions. Let's go down here to the EMRA, EMRB. Those are some amounts there. And we have right here. Okay, and then again, I'll just kind of hold, pause the tape, look at these answers. Please let me know if you do have any questions. This one did take a while, but I think this is a great assignment to actually help you in your, the process of starting an HIT, especially in the EHR. And then 24, some questions. All right. So again, one thing to remember, you can stop, pause the tape, look at the questions, look at the answers. If you have any questions on this assignment, please send me an email and let me know.